Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just going to show you quickly a package I just received. I actually didn't just receive it, but I got it Saturday. Today's Monday. But a package that I did want to show you. I told you about it in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. It's my fall haul through Michael's and the Dollar Tree. If you hear noises in the background, that's Seamus. He's talking to himself over there. But I did talk about in that video that I was going to start 310 shakes, 310 nutrition. So I did get them in the mail and I decided I was going to start today. They were, I think it was $35, and then with shipping and stuff they cost about $40. So I just wanted to show you what came in the package, and then I'm going to make a shake and tell you how it tastes and everything. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is everything I got in the 310 nutrition starter kit. Kind of just, you can try everything, see what you like. So these all right here I got, and they came in this little cute bag with the orange string. So the first thing we have here is the 310 juice. This is an organic red fruits blend, it says. Superfood cleanse. This I heard you put like mixed with water, just drink it, or you could also add it to your shake. The next thing is the 310 tea. It's slimming detox tea. Sorry for the glare on that. It's shiny. So, but it says dried herb and botanical supplement sachets. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but there are 3 of them in there, and it says it supports weight loss, helps promote digestion, and appetite control. I'm excited to try those. People said they either do it with like just regular tea, like hot tea, or you can also make it into like an iced tea and possibly mix it with these lemonades, or you could just have these on their own too. So this is another thing I got. This is the blackberry flavor. I know they have a bunch of other flavors. They have regular, strawberry, the list goes on. It is only 10 calories, and it says it's for craving control and supports weight loss. No artificial sweeteners, no artificial flavors, made with real lemons, no preservatives, and non-GMO. So I'm excited to try this too. It also came with a $10 gift card, so that if I do like the product, I can use this $10 gift card towards something, if I want another shake, anything else. They have a lot more stuff on the website. This is just what came in this starter kit. So the 3 little sample packets that I got, they automatically choose it for you. It's the chocolate, the vanilla chai, and the vanilla. I'm excited to try all 3 of these. And then it also comes with a bag. These are single servings. She's chatty over there. He wants to be a part of the video. So this is the, he's just learning his voice, and it's so funny because, he's learning his voice and he just keeps screaming and yelling. It's hysterical. But anyway, so this is the 310 shake, like a bigger bag, and this is 14 servings. I think if you buy the regular 310 shake bags, it comes in a 28-day serving, but I chose the salted caramel. It is a plant-based meal replacement, and it says it contains triplex protein, 310 triplex protein blend. And it also, I want to say, yeah, back here it says it's sugar-free, dairy-free, soy-free, egg-free, nut-free, and gluten-free. So it is it's a great shake for everyone, no matter what kind of diet you need. But I'm excited to try the salted caramel. So for the bigger bag, the 14 serving bag, you could pick between salted caramel, vanilla, or chocolate. I chose the salted caramel because I knew that these are the 3 samples that it came with, so I could try all 3 of those, and then I could also try the salted caramel. And then lastly, it came with this 310 shaker, which I'm excited to use. I'm going to put my shake in it after I blend it up. So yeah, guys, this is everything I got in that package. I'm going to make a shake now. I'm going to make a shake now, and I will be back to show you what I put in it and tell you how it tastes. What you doing, wild man? What are you doing? You being crazy? You talking over here? Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, so I already have the water and ice in there. It's 12 fluid ounces of water, almond milk, anything of your choice, regular milk, whatever you want. I don't like any really, I don't really like any milk products, so I just did water and ice. And then I'm gonna add 1 scoop of the powder. Whoopsie. Drop some there. And then I got half a banana. I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm going to add a scoop of peanut butter. Okay, adding a scoop of peanut butter. Okay, so now I'm going to try my shake. That's really good. Really, really good. Way better than I expected. It's so good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go finish drinking that. Gonna play with Seamus. Are you chatty today? What are you doing? Show everyone your giraffe. Show everyone your giraffe. Oh. You see yourself? Do you see yourself? Do you see yourself, honey? So I never ended my video the other day with the 310 shakes. I loved the shake, like absolutely loved it. I thought it was so delicious. I totally recommend them. I've been drinking them for the last couple days, and then I also tried that blackberry lemonade. It was so good. It wasn't overly sweet. It wasn't like there wasn't not enough flavor. It was just really, really good. I loved it. I haven't tried the teas yet. I haven't tried the detox teas. And I also haven't tried the juice yet. I plan on adding that to one of my shakes this week, but I have tried the salted caramel, the chocolate, and the vanilla flavors. I love all three of them. They're all delicious. I honestly don't know what bag I'm gonna order next, like for my full bag, because I'm definitely gonna order another full bag. I do love the salted caramel though. That might be my favorite, but I'm really not sure because I do like the other ones too. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to end the my short little vlog review here. I definitely recommend 310. The shakes are great. Everything about it is great so far. I am gonna weigh myself and see how much I lost. Maybe I'll do that in another video and let you guys know how much I lost from it in the first week at least, but I'm gonna continue with it. I really, really do like it, and I highly recommend it. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my little review on it, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.